Oh, what a cracking day to be out here camping, eh? It's a bit wet outside, a fair bit of rain. You can hear it start to fall on my tarp here. It's been raining for a few hours here now, but one thing I really wanted to show you is my DIY awning bracket that I had designed it myself and had it made up by a local fabricator in town, and he's done an amazing job. But this is the first time that I've actually used this now in the rain. Maybe I need to get out more, I don't know, maybe I do or I don't. But this is the first time it's been used in the rain. So I'm really happy now to see the effects of my great design up here, the afterthought, once we had this set up. So when I went down there, you know, we had the awning bracket, it was all made up, looked fantastic. We did a test trial fit up. Then I saw this big gap here and I thought, that could be an issue, especially on a day like today when it's raining outside, is rain's just gonna pour in down the side here. So I thought we're going to come up with an idea like that. Otherwise it'd be like this, you know, there's a bit of a gap there. That's all wet and raining all down the side here. And then you come down the end here, again, big gap there. Windows all wet, down the doors, all that sort of thing there. So if that little rain shield wasn't there, this would be all the same. Rain would just be pouring inside my camp, and that's pretty much ineffective, really, not a great idea. So the old rain shield, that's just a bit of aluminium plate there that they bent up and put up there, so the rain hits it on the back, runs into the roof gutters of the patrol here, runs down and out of my camp. Absolutely great setup. So, you know, guys, if you have got an awning of some sort, or you're looking to maybe do a bit of a DIY setup like this, I've got plenty of videos on my channel which will show you exactly how this was all made up. Maybe check them out. But yeah, or you've got an awning yourself, got a big gap there, what are you going to do with it? Well, this could be just the trick. Get a little plate shield bent up there. It's going to stop rain coming inside your camp. This works an absolute treat. I'm very happy with that. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that might have helped you out with a little awning setup, what you might be looking to make down the track. And just keep that in mind for the rainy days. That works an absolute treat. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Hooroo. Top idea, I reckon.